Are you a local business owner struggling to keep up with follow-ups, missed calls, and consistent clients? Imagine having a system that could handle it all, bringing more clients automatically. Yes, you guessed it right. I'm talking about GoHighLevel. There are tons of videos out there showing every feature GoHighLevel offers, cramming your head with endless options. But as a local business owner and beginner, you might be asking yourself, which ones do I really need? Well, today I will simplify things for you. I am going to share the top 5 GoHighLevel features that you absolutely must use to start seeing results fast. I am Jignesh, founder of Pixel Elevate, where we specialize in helping local business owners like yours bring in more clients and automate their daily tasks. First one is database reactivation campaign. Do you ever feel like you are sitting on a list of old clients and leads that have just disappeared? They were interested once, but now they have gone cold. And that what feels like missed income, right? With GoHighLevel's database reactivation campaign, you can easily reach out to all those past clients and leads, sending them a quick message to remind them of your business. You can even add a small discount or a special offer to catch their attention. This little nudge brings them back to you without making a single call. Imagine getting a paying clients just by offering a small incentive. It's a very powerful way to turn old leads into new revenue. Second one is Google Reviews campaign. Have you noticed that the top companies in your industry have lots of positive reviews? Those are a big reason they are winning clients, because people trust a business with good reviews. GoHighLevel's Google Reviews campaign make it easy for you to get positive reviews. It automatically asks your positive or happy customers to leave feedback on Google, helping you build a solid reputation and attract more clients. This makes your business stand out and builds trust, putting you on the same level as the big name in your field. Third one is social media planning. Staying active on social media is key these days. Posting photos and updates help your business stay visible and build trust with potential clients. But let's be honest, it's hassle to post every single day on all your social accounts. You are busy running your business, and that's where GoHighLevel's social media planning features comes in. You can plan out your posts in advance, so your content goes up automatically. Keep your business active online without the daily effort. Missed call takes back. As a local business, missing calls can mean losing customers. When someone tries to reach you and you miss it, they might just call the next business on the list. GoHighLevel's missed call takes back feature solves that problem. If you miss a call, it instantly sends a text message to the caller, letting them know you will get back to them soon, and also tries to keep conversation going. It reassures them that you are reliable, so they are more likely to wait for you instead of going to your competitor. Fifth one is websites. Ever notice how some competitors seem to get client even when they are closed? That's because their websites are working 24/7, giving people information and bringing in leads anytime. GoHighLevel makes setting up a professional website easy. With a good website, you will be able to show your services, lets clients get in touch, and even when them to book online. It's a big step in making your business look professional and ready to compete. Now, I want to leave you with this thought. While there is absolutely nothing wrong with using GoHighLevel on your own, I have some genuine advice for you. Honestly, I'm not here to sell you something. I want to just provide pure and real value to local business owners like you. Consider this. GoHighLevel charges you $97 per month, but that doesn't include all the hidden fees. But if you work with GoHighLevel agency like ours or maybe some another, they can set up your entire account for you, so you can relax and let their high-level experts handle everything. And as a local business owner, you might not have time or to know how to navigate this software on your own. Remember, the money you spend on these services can easily be earned back with just one client. So I encourage you to focus on what you do best, growing your business, while they take care of the tech stuff. If you are ready to take the next step and wanna know more, you can freely book a call with me. I have given a link in description because I genuinely think I can add some value to your business. So yeah, cheers.